How to return Temu items. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can return your Temu items, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you purchased something from Temu, you're not quite satisfied with the product and maybe you want to just return it. But the thing you want to understand here is that the process of a return period usually depends upon the return policy of the seller as well as the Temu's as well. So let's say that you've already used a product that you purchased from Temu for quite a number of weeks and now you want to return it. That's not how it works. It should be done instantly, at least for a maximum of 3 days. Then you should be able to simply return the items without any hassle. And to do this, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Temu application here. Once you launch the Temu app, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface where what you need to do is just come to the U tab that you can find it here in this case. Once you come to the U tab here, what you want to do is you just want to go to this option known as your orders from the very top. When you go to your orders, you'll be able to see all the orders, the processing orders, shipped, delivered and returns as well. So just look for the order that you would like to return, just select return or refund, and then you should be able to go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to return the item respectively, because you'll be able to find them all over here in this case. This way you can go ahead and then return Temu items. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.